The Hynniewtrep Integrated Territorial Organization or Hito had met reporters on 12 October 2022 to inform about the organization's reaction to the recent tear gas firing incident by the police on contractual teachers. Addressing a press conference, the president of Hito, Donboklang Dakhar, said that its members have decided to lay wreaths at the main secretariat in Shillong to send a message of despair to the government for its inhuman act towards teachers who had peacefully protested against its apathy to their demands. At the same time, the president of Hito also informed that the organization has demanded for the suspension from service of the 2 police officers and every person involved in the incident.
First of all, we demand that those 2 officers should be suspended, and to those people giving order, the higher authority who giving them order. This is a democracy country. I didn't feel that they violate any 144 CRPC. And in the first place, when these people already announced that they are going to agitate, if that 144 CRPC really affect, it's already implemented, then why don't they put this barricade like they have done in the past few years? Why suddenly to the teachers who agitate with a real democratic form? Our motive is that to show the government that they already provoke us to carry this arms. But we are not fool, we won't carry any arms, but we will try to convey with them through the peaceful agitation in a democracy form. Message to the government of Meghalaya under the leadership of Pandrat Kongkal Kesama, this Meghalaya Demonic Alliance. You give us tear of gas, we will give you real tears. Try to make us cry, we will make you cry. That is our message to the Meghalaya Demonic Alliance.